Why do some scientists believe that alien civilizations may have already set their sights on Earth while we remain completely unaware? For decades, humanity has been broadcasting Earth's coordinates into the universe, openly revealing our presence to every civilization that might be listening. To them, Earth may already look like a glowing target in the darkness of space. Yet we wait for alien replies with hopeful curiosity, not realizing that we may be standing on the edge of extinction. This is an exaggeration. It's a reality that has existed for half a century. In 1974, we sent the first intentional radio message into space. Known as the Arecibo Message, it traveled outward at the speed of light, spreading across the cosmos as a beacon of our existence. By 2025, that message has reached about 50 light-years away, forming a giant 50-light-year bubble around Earth. Inside this sphere are roughly 2,000 stars, many of which could host planets, and perhaps civilizations far more advanced than ours. If they have powerful radio telescopes, they can detect our signals with ease, decode their meaning, and immediately recognize that intelligent life exists in the solar system. And if their technology includes near, light-speed travel, they may already be on their way, completely undetected by us. What's even more unsettling is that humans have not been subtle. We have repeatedly amplified our presence. Decades ago, scientists broadcast not only human DNA patterns, but also the sun's precise location within the Milky Way. At the time, many believed this was a historic achievement. Few considered that it might be the beginning of humanity's greatest mistake. The Arecibo Message was only the start. In 1999, Ukraine's 70-meter Evpatoria radio telescope transmitted for 6 continuous hours toward a distant star, sending mathematical functions, the periodic table, human diagrams, and even Earth's coordinates. Additional messages were sent in 2001, 2003, and again in 2008. That same year, NASA beamed the Beatles' song across the universe toward Polaris, 433 light-years away, hoping extraterrestrials would appreciate our artistic expression. Over the next 17 years, we continued sending messages containing details of human culture, scientific formulas, and social structures, effectively handing out our home address and vulnerabilities to complete strangers in the dark. According to the dark forest theory, this is the most dangerous thing a civilization can do. It's like shouting, "Here we are," into a pitch-black forest where every listener may be a hunter with a gun. The universe is silent not because it's empty, but because those who reveal themselves often do not survive long enough to speak again. The theory, famously explored in the three-body problem, is not just science fiction, it reflects a cold cosmic logic. The universe resembles a dark forest where every civilization moves cautiously, hiding in the shadows, terrified of revealing its position. In such a place, there are no laws, no trust, and no opportunities to communicate. The moment your location is exposed, the most rational response for any other civilization, friendly or not, is to strike immediately. This logic becomes unavoidable when we consider two facts. First, communication across light years takes decades or centuries. A friendly message from Earth could reach another world long after their technology has advanced beyond anything we can imagine. A civilization equal to us today could, within a century, develop weapons capable of erasing planets. Second, civilizations have no reason to trust one another. Meeting an alien species is like encountering an armed stranger in the wilderness who doesn't speak your language. You cannot assume good intentions. The safest move is always to act first. If a civilization is 100,000 years more advanced than us, they might see humanity the way we see ants. We don't negotiate with ants. We don't carefully avoid their nests. We might look, we might ignore them, or we might accidentally destroy an entire colony with a single step. If a civilization is 1,000,000 years ahead, their automated probes might wipe out Earth without even noticing. That's why Stephen Hawking repeatedly warned that humanity should avoid contacting extraterrestrial civilizations. History teaches us what happens when advanced societies encounter less advanced ones. The arrival of Columbus was not good news for the native peoples of the Americas. Hawking understood the logic well. Humanity is fragile, and the universe does not guarantee mercy. We haven't even left our own solar system. A probe needs 8 or 9 months just to reach Mars. Traveling a single light year would take 17,000 years. Meanwhile, any civilization capable of visiting Earth would already possess technology far beyond our imagination, enough to sterilize a planet in an instant. This isn't the Stone Age facing the Industrial Age. It's ants facing humans. We would have no chance to resist. Now that our signals are out there, we can't take them back. The water has already been spilled. Humanity has only 3 possible paths. First, we could stop transmitting immediately, shut down all active radio broadcasts into space, and reduce our presence to the faintest whisper. But the signals we sent over the last 50 years have already traveled 50 light years. Even if we fall silent now, anyone who detected those signals can still track us down. Second, we could race to advance our technology, faster engines, planetary shields, advanced defenses, hoping to protect ourselves before anyone reaches us. But we don't know how much time we have. It could be 1,000 years. It could be 100. It could be 10. Technological breakthroughs require time, and we may not have enough of it. Third, we could gamble. We could assume the universe holds kindness, that advanced civilizations are peaceful, and that anyone who finds us will come with goodwill. But this is a gamble with everything at stake. If we're wrong, humanity ends, instantly, permanently, without any chance of recovery. Whether we choose fear or determination, one truth remains clear. The universe does not reward kindness. It only rewards those who survive.